Ever wondered how to juggle different lengths of arrays in CNET? Puzzled about how to neatly pack arrays of various sizes into one wholesome structure? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the realm of jagged arrays in CNET. So, what's a jagged array? Picture an array of arrays where each array can have a different length. That's it, you've got it. That's a jagged array for you. In CNET, a jagged array is essentially an array of arrays where each element can have a different length. It's like a matrix with unequal rows. Let's start by declaring a jagged array. It's simple. We'll use the syntax. Data type followed by 2 square brackets, variable name, another square bracket, and then we initialize it. For instance, we can declare a 2-dimensional jagged array of integers like this, int my jagged array. Next, we allocate memory to this jagged array. We do this by defining the length of the first dimension. For example, my jagged array equals sign new int. This creates a jagged array with 3 rows. But wait, we're not done yet. Remember, each row can have a different length, so we need to define the length of each row separately. To do this, we use a loop. For instance, for int I equals sign 0, I, 3, I++, my jagged array equals sign new int. This will create a jagged array where the first row has 1 element, the second row has 2 elements, and the third row has 3 elements. Now that we've created the array, we can fill it with values. Again, we use a loop. For instance, for int I equals sign 0, I, 3, I++, for int j equals sign 0, j, I plus 1, j++, my jagged array equals sign I plus j. This will fill the array with the sum of the row and column indices. And voila, we've successfully created and filled a jagged array in CNET. To recap, a jagged array in CNET is an array of arrays with varying lengths. Declaring a jagged array involves specifying the data type using double square brackets and initializing. Memory allocation involves defining the length of the first dimension and then separately defining the length of each row. Filling the jagged array with values involves using a loop to access each element. So the next time you find yourself struggling with arrays of different lengths, remember the jagged array. It's a handy tool to have in your programming arsenal. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.